Like then been, hey, shit talking chest up been back, nigga. Pussy. Hey, BBD Civil Life, nigga. Hey,
we the reason them bitches keep saying they want no more parties. Look to water now, you disrespect, we gon' fuck up the party. Ready to get it started. I been sliding with my hammer cock. Y'all little hoe tryna throw that pussy, I'm just tryna burn the test. I'm running soccer, some of us trapping, some of us convicted. You gon' go to war with 6 shots, run out and then gon' get sent to head. And my Draco on bust like a freak, it feel like that hoe. And yeah, you knew me back then when I was hooping, but bitch, look now we staying. Riding around in 6 with a roddy, we screaming fucking God saved your ass from buying from us. Who's finna pluck you? I don't know you, you ain't came with my game. I'm screaming fuck you. I fuck some hoes, a nigga had for my bitch. He just got lucky. You can't be one like no co-steak, so I'ma heat you. Getting money by myself, I'm a dime. Ain't with that leeching shit. Yeah, ain't know that I keep it real. Ain't never been a dude had thought that he would get the same treatment. That was a big mistake. How you thought I got him back to the A? I took the interstate. My mama say I need a U-Haul truck, cause I been moving my downfall. I see a long ass line. Them niggas gotta wait. Look at them niggas shutting it down. You ain't getting it anyway. Don't tell me who rats in the members. We gon' start attacking. We not who be lacking. No Smith, no, we ain't with the acting. Y'all a bitch a free. Swallow cereal and call me captain. Crunch all on my boss. He suck my dick like that hoe was a vacuum. 30s get the smacking, catch him lacking. That was there in traffic. We not want to snitch. We told the best. We don't know what had happened. Broski paid my bond. We gon' turn up so you had know what happened. Soon as I had touched down, I had rolled the wood and started laughing.
It don't start me, bro. It don't fucking start me. Took in this bitch. Ready to get it started, but this ain't no spot him. Got him. He got caught lacking with his bitch and then they shot him. Dog gon' beat the case if he get caught, it ain't no problem. I got purified water on my neck, this shit off. I hear niggas talking down, catch him, beat him like it's false. Loyalty with me and gang, this shit go deeper than some comments. Now I don't care about what he was, if he with us, now he'll stomp me. My shit together, don't touch us when we in this bitch.
Hey, fuck him. Bitch, I'm straight up out of Tennessee. I got the ass of 10 apiece. That's why these niggas envy me. Can get the drop on where they be. I'm Chaz, been in UAV. I'm knowing everywhere you be. It's free my uncle till he free. And you can catch a shot from me. I put that shit on BBD. These niggas, they can't fuck with me. I made it out there luckily, but homies always stuck with me. You knowin' you can't fuck with me. And smoke a Tonka truck with me. And some of my niggas from my south, but yeah, nigga, I'm from out east.